Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the last week of term 4. So this week we carry on looking at poetry in our writing time, and we are learning to recognize and recreate repetitive rhyming patterns so that we can write our own rhymes and poems. So in today's lesson, we are just going to quickly have a recap and look at the poems we've already learned about, or the types of poems, and then we are going to learn one new one. Okay, so how do you know you're a successful learner? Well, first of all, you can say what a limerick is. So let's have a look at that. What is a limerick? Let's have a look. If you remember, the limerick is the first type of poem we wrote. It says, a 5-line poem with rhymes in line 1, 2, and 5, and then another rhyme in lines 3 and 4. And here is an example. What is a limerick, mother? It's a form of verse, said brother, in which lines 1 and 2 rhyme with 5 when it's through, and 3 and 4 rhyme with each other. So they made up a little rhyme to tell us what a limerick is. Mother rhymes with brother, and with other. So A, and A, they rhyme the same. To and through rhyme with each other. Okay, so that's our rhyming pattern. Here is another one. There once was a monster called Drew who kicked up a hullabaloo. I've mislaid my head, must have left it in my bed. I think I will need super glue. And if we use our highlighter, we can see that we have Drew rhyming with hullabaloo and glue. And then we've got head rhyming with bed. So that is a limerick. Okay, so let's have a look at the next one. What's our next success criteria? I can say what alliteration is. So let's go and have a look and remind ourselves of what alliteration means. Alliteration is when 2 or more words in a row or close together begin with the same letter. I wonder if you remember this example. Alex, alligator, ate apples. All of those words start with A. And then Carson carries cars in his cart. All the words in this sentence start with K. Let's have a look if you can figure out what the alliteration in this poem is. Peter the postman passes the parcel. What do you think? What did you find? Let's have a look. Let's see. Peter the postman passes the parcel. So we've got 2 or more words next to each other or close to each other that start with the same sound. So that is alliteration. Okay, are you ready to learn all about our new type of poem? Here we go. Our new type of poem is called a concrete poem or a shape poem.